Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a little parcel to show you today, and this has come to me from the lovely people at FGNORMAL.com. They asked me if I would like some products to show you on my channel. I said yes, of course, thank you very much. I've loved the things I've had in the past, so I've got a new product that I'd not seen before, and it just called out to me, Liz, you need me, Liz. So yeah, we've just got a little teeny tiny diamond painting because I'm wanting to make some cards with my diamond paintings, and we've got, let me open it the right way, folks, one of those. I think you can probably tell what that is. Okay, before I open these, there's some brilliant special offers on at FGNORMAL at the moment. When I've just looked before I've made the video, there is a 30% off if you spend $1 and over. So yeah, go and check that out. 30%, that's like nearly a third off. Wow. There's free shipping if you spend over £40, and there is a bundle offer of 3 diamond paintings. It seems to be the ones that are like $15.99 each. You can get a bundle of 3 for £30.99. So that's a brilliant offer. You're basically paying for 2 and getting 1 free. So yeah, excellent value. So go and check that out. There's like a link. I'll put some screenshots in, but there's like a link that you click on for that special offer, and it takes you to the list of paintings that you get in like a bundle. So yeah, it would be rude not to go and have a look. Okay, so let's have a look at these. Oh my goodness, it's one of those little stands with some of those little coasters in it. But what did I get this time? As I say, I've not seen this one anywhere before, so I thought, oh, I've got to have those. I have an extensive collection of coasters now. I will be gifting some, but like my cards that I do, I'm finding it very difficult. I don't want to keep them all. Alright, this is a set of 10 and the price was £11.99. They are all crystals. We've got our pen, bow and wax to get us started on our journey. And yeah, full crystals, but I think you'll love these. If you like your gonks, your gnomes, you're going to absolutely love these. You've got your little metal stand. Oh, none of them want to come out. Look, they're all staying in there. So yeah, handy if you're wanting to put it somewhere. Say, possibly put some little rubber feet or something on it just to stop it scratching. But yeah, nice little stand. They're all generic as well, these. So if you've got other ones that you've done or some that you've made yourself, you know, you can add them into these, or you can put a couple of sets together. Or so you can gift these out separately to people. But look at these, all ready for my favourite time of year, which is autumn. I do reasonably like warm weather, but I love autumn, the leaves, the colours of the trees and everything. So these are me to a T. So we have a gorgeous little gonk there, look, with his big leaf there and his little hat, and they're all in autumnal colours, or fall as they call it in the US. Oh, looks like that one's got a little headdress on, look, with leaves, and he's got all dressed up. And then this one, oh, he's a little bit, I don't know, it's like a sweet corn he's got. Is that a corn on the cob that he's got there? I think it is. I think he's got all corn on the cobs. So yeah, we've got places around here where you can actually go and pick your own, which is great. Oh, this one's got some sunflowers, and you know, I like my sunflowers. The story of the mouse and my sunflower seeds. Yep, we won't go into that for now. This one could possibly be a bit pumpkin-ish. I've got a pumpkin. I'm just trying to work out what that is. Sometimes you actually need to do them and then look at them from a distance. It looks like he's got all little leaves and everything on his hat. That looks a little bit like an acorn though, so I'm not sure. Have to have another look at that one and see what that one is. Okay, so that's 5. And then we've got one, oh, look, we can see that one, that's an owl. Look, he's got a little pet owl. Oh, I love all the clothes and the little hats and everything. He's got like patches on his hat and a lovely sunflower there. Oh, this one's going to the cinema, look, he's got his popcorn. No, I think it's a hot chocolate look because it's a mug. And I'm not quite sure what that is. Is that his glove? Oh, no, that's his gloves, look. That's his matching gloves there. So, yeah, he's got a nice hot chocolate drink or a pumpkin spice drink. And pumpkin spice isn't something we have here in the UK, so it's only from watching YouTubers across the pond, as it were, that I get to see those. And then this one's got feathers again there. Oh, it looks like he's got a bell on his hat on that one. And I think he's maybe got some sort of food. Not quite sure. Could be a pumpkin pie, maybe. Oh, look at that one. That's fab. He's got a basket. That's like us last year when we went picking pumpkins. We had a wheelbarrow and we kept putting them in. And then it was a case of, no, you can only have one each. So we had to keep swapping it out because we'd see one and think, oh, that's really, really good. And then we'd find another one and think, no, that's a better one. So, yeah, but we've got a couple of pumpkins in there. Probably some corn on the cobs as well, because where we went pumpkin picking, they did corn on the cobs. This one's dressed up as a turkey. And he says, happy fall, y'all. Okay. So he's got his little hat on there with turkey feathers and all his turkey feathers, like his turkey tail going round. Oh, he's even got like, is it a wattle, they call it, on the nose? That little bit of extra skin that turkeys have. Oh, that's fabulous. He's even got the turkey legs, look. Oh, that's brilliant. I love that one. Oh my goodness. I think that's my favourite. I think that is absolutely my favourite. That is just so funny. So yeah, it's a full set of 10. A lot of the times they only come in like 6s and 8s, but I do like the fact that this is in a 10. He might be a little bit narrow. Albeit I suppose if you put in a cup on, then yeah, no, I think he'll be all right. But yeah, we've got sort of this is the biggest one down to this one's the smallest one, but I just think they're fabulous, absolutely. And I love the way you can get sort of an expression and a little bit of the personality from them, even though you can't see their eyes, you can't see the mouth, you can just see the nose. It's just like the way they're holding things and, you know, the way that they're doing things. I just think it's really, really funny. Oh dear, they're brilliant. I like the one with the owl as well, actually, but that one just makes me laugh. That's just so funny. The fact that he's even got a little bit of the wattle on him, I just think that's marvellous. Oh dear. Oh, great fun. Love these. I say I've not seen them anywhere else before, so yeah, I just had to get them. What can I say? I'm a sucker for coasters and key rings and bookmarks. There are lots of other designs on the website as well if you're not quite into your gonks, your gnomes as I am, but yeah, I just think they're fabulous. I mean, and if you're not making them for yourself, if you're making them for somebody else. To be fair, do you know, I think, again, I might even put these on the wall or hang them from a string. Because I think once I've done, like, my Halloween display, last year I just left up, like, the ones that were all more autumnal colours, and for autumn until then I started at the end of November, beginning of December on my Christmas ones. So November was more fall. After Halloween was done, I took the scary things down. Well, they're not really scary, but you know what I mean. Yeah, and then just did these. So these will go really well with that. Oh, it's fabulous. So let's have a look at these colours. Okay, so we have 18 different crystal colours. And we are starting off with this gorgeous crystal, just the clear crystal, nice and clear. We've got our dark red and a little bit of like a peachy colour there, and a lemony colour, and a little bit of a nice grassy green, and a honey gold, and a lovely bright orange colour, and then a bronzy colour, and a little bit darker bronze, and that's like a grey crystal, and that's like a grey blue crystal. Here a standard black, a lovely royal purple. Who's got purple on them? Where's the purple go? Have a look. Oh, it's here, look, we've got grapes. Ah, right. Oh, he's got grapes in his basket then. So he's got pumpkins and grapes. Wow. Oh, he can make his own wine while he's having his pumpkin. We've got a limey green, a very pale pink, another green, and another red there, a cherry red, and then a very deep bronzy colour. So it's a lovely colour palette, this. All your bronzes and golds and ambers and orangey colours. Wonderful, proper autumnal colours. And yeah, it just had to come my way. What can I say? Okay, let's get those put away. I'm going to leave these out on the desk because I just like them. I'm not going to squish them into the stand because they didn't want to come out, so I've decided to just leave them out for a while. Oh, they're gorgeous. Do you know, the more I look at them, the more I see the detail is amazing on them. They're just brilliant. Just love them all. Oh, that one just makes me laugh so much. Dressing up as a turkey. Okay, and then I just got a little painting. As I say, I'm looking at ones to make into cards at the moment. And this is a Livy partial. It's standard acrylic drills, but it's just a partial painting. And it's just of 2 little tiger cubs. And I thought, oh, we'll give it a go, see what it's like. So we've got pen, boat and wax there. Okay, standard little toolkit. And it says, oh, it doesn't say what size it is. It says on the description 20 centimetres by 25 centimetres. We're 9 different colours and it's numbered 1 to 9, and they are 1 to 9 as well. So 5 is 5 and 6 is 6, so no confusion there. Just let me, actually, I'll just have to shove you that way a little bit, chaps. So I can just have a little bit here to flatten it out slightly. Okay, so we have a little white tiger cub and a little sort of standard golden tiger cub there. And they've gone into space, I think, these two. We've got the moon in the background. Very different picture. Okay, but I'm just looking at doing sort of smaller paintings to put onto greetings cards. You tend to find sometimes if you get full drill, then they can be a little bit heavy and they're difficult to actually stick onto cards, and they can weigh the card down as well. It can not stand very well sometimes. So this, none of the background has got any gems on. It is just literally the 2 little tiger cubs at the front. I'm just wondering, we've not got a lot of definition there, although there is a couple of different numbers. We've got 9s and 5s there. So I think once it's done, there's a slight difference in the colours, so we might get a little bit of shading on his face. But the eyes are absolutely gorgeous. Where's my tape measure gone? Let me just see how big this is. Yeah, it's 20 centimetres that way, which is just under 8 inches, by 15 centimetres that way, which is just under 6 inches. So it is only a small one. Yeah, it'll go nicely onto a card. Just put some matting and layering. Or you could even, the quite sort of defined lines around the tigers, you could even just cut the background out and put that onto, say, a jungle scene or something. Just change them a little bit. Just tell you there, look, your drill area. So it shows you where your drills, where your gems, your diamonds go. So let's have a look at these colours and see what we got this time. Oops, if I can get into it, come here. Okay, so 9 colours, so let's have a look. So we've got a very bright white for our little tiger cub there. We've got a gingery colour and a sort of a reddy brown and a Caramac chocolate colour, and then your grey for your shading on your little tiger, and then like a tinned pea green and a black, and then, oh, we've got green there, and then we've got lemon. Ooh, so this little tiger cub here, they've done him in like this greenish colour and this yellowy colour. I might change those colours because I don't know whether I really want green on him for the shading. I think I've probably got some other drills that I can change out for those. Don't forget, when you're doing your diamond paintings, you don't have to, if you don't want to, if you've got spares, you don't have to stick to the colours as they come. It is your picture, so you can do it exactly how you want to do it. If you do want to do it just as the picture comes, that's fine, that's no problem. But I think I'd like my tiger to be a bit more like our Hull City football team colours, so a little bit more golden. So I may just change him out a little bit. But yeah, it's a cute little picture. It's very sweet. Two little tigers just popping over. He's a bit braver, look, he's just come a bit further over the edge and he's just saying, do you think it's safe? Is it okay to come over this way? And the price of this one was just £2.99. So quite a nice little one just to make into a card. As I say, I'll just cut it out and mount it up onto a card, and yeah, I'll show you when I do it, or I may even make a video of me making the card. We'll just have to wait and see. So yeah, quite a bit of fun. I love these coasters, they're absolutely brilliant. I don't think mine are going to be coasters, I think mine are going to be decorations. Yeah, I think if you just put, say, one of those little pegs on the back and just hang them from some, probably some garden string or twine or something, which will stay in with the theme of like autumn and garden and everything, because they're all gardening, aren't they? They're all outdoor gnomes, these, or gonks, these. So yeah, just all that little bit of fun. Okay, well, I will put the description and the links to these. If you click on more and more again in the description, it'll bring up the links as to where they came from. A huge thank you, FGNORMAL, for sending me these. They're absolutely fabulous. These are brilliant. They're better than expected. They've just made me smile, made me laugh, made my day. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll get to join our little family and you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.